You know what really grinds my gears? When a woman of potential does not have a sugar daddy. That's what really grinds my gears. Like, I know all the Karens and Kims and Cheryls are gonna come after me for this one, but hear me out. When a woman of potential is stuck with a man with no vision or no money, she definitely needs a sugar daddy, a savior. Yes. Now, there is nothing more draining and limiting than a woman full of potential being stuck with a man that has no vision, no money. He has to have one or the other. I mean, think about it. One or the other. Then the sad thing about a woman of potential is that she's always loyal. She's born with a loyalty trait. Many times I've seen this. Those women that are so driven are often loyal, faithful. And if you realize that you're faithful, then be prepared. Lots of times you're going to see opportunity walking by, passing you by. Oh, hey, and it's off. Because you're faithful, you're loyal. So you're not going to take these offers up. Why? Because these offers come in the form of rich men or even men with vision, you know? And then you have to, because you're loyal to your visionless man, you know? Or your penniless man, whichever one it is, you're stuck. So the minute you realize, this is a tip. The minute you realize that you are a woman of potential, of dreams, of hope, of goals, driven, and you want to do things, you have to start to train your mind. Because the first thing people are going to say when they hear that you're a woman of potential and you have a sugar daddy, oh, why do you need a sugar daddy? Well, it starts in the beginning. Right in the beginning, you have to know, am I this woman? Once you know, because everything gets screwed up in the beginning and then it's all uphill. I think it is. You know? But if you know in the beginning, this is who I am, you train your mind. It starts with your mind. You have lots of work to do, and you have hard work to do. You have to think. First, this is what I need. First, you got to tell yourself, first training, girl, we're going to have to go it alone. Okay? We're going it alone. That's the first way to do it. Second way is, should a man come along, he has to check our boxes. Pull your box out. Does he check my vision box? He must have vision or money. Because he's either gonna push you forward towards your goal. If he has vision, he can see the way forward, or he's going to have to pay your way forward. See what I mean? He's gonna give you money to furnish all your dreams and ideas, as ridiculous as it may seem. Or he needs vision, so you guys can be on the same page and move forward into doing things better. Otherwise, you're screwed. Okay? It starts in the beginning. People say, well, why can't you get out and do your own thing? Why can't you push forward? Blah, blah, blah. No. Do this in the beginning. It's the safest way. Otherwise, you have to stop being so loyal and you have to go get you your sugar daddy and do it that way. So it really grinds my gears when a woman is so, everyone could see potential and all the things that she could achieve. All you have to do is put your mind towards it. But as much as there's a woman that builds a man, there's a man that's sucking a woman down, killing off her dreams and hopes and desires. I've seen this so many times with so many girlfriends, and I am telling you, it really grinds my gears. That's all. That's what really grinds my gears. Bye.